To find Iowa cases using Google Scholar, below the search bar, change from articles to case law. To control which courts you are searching, use select courts. Use Iowa courts. Type in your search. For best results, give Google Scholar at least 3 relevant terms to help it determine relevance. The cases will appear ranked by relevance. You can change the sort order to newest on top. You have other filters as well. Within the entry for one case, you will see the case name, you will see the citation, the court that issued the decision and the date of the decision. You will see some context showing your search terms to determine whether you want to read this case. Below the entry, you will see cited by, which will tell you how many other cases and documents have cited this particular case, giving you an idea of how important the case is. How cited will allow you to see the discussion around the citations so you can determine how later courts have treated this case. Click the case name and you will see again the citation, the parties, the docket number, which the courts use to keep track of the case, the court of the decision, the date, and then the text of the opinion.